Takes a second to warm up, and then it kind of sprays through the filter and puts your coffee into the jug as normal, as you would expect. Works quite well, it's quite quiet. It's not very loud. And it's also programmable, so you can literally set it to make a brew for, say, when you wake up in the morning, 7 AM. It'll get your coffee ready for you. You can also program it to clean. So, pretty impressive, it's not too bad. Especially for under £100, you can't beat that. Build quality is fairly good. It's got a nice black finish to it. Should look pretty smart in most kitchens. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it.